Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and now here on YouTube. Yes. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Let's talk about the products. First one up is Juvia's Place Eye Sculpt Eye Shade Brow Gel. This one is medium brown. Writing is all gone. It used to say Juvia's Place on there. Size of it is 0.169 ounces. And sadly can now only be found and purchased on juviasplace.com. I wanted another one because this one's kind of, I think this one is old now. I'm still using it though. I'm trying to use it as much as I can. Like, I really like it that much that I want to keep using it until I cannot use it anymore. But I did have to give in and buy a fresh new one. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills though. After I finish Anastasia, I think I'm going to go back to this. I should probably purchase it now because I don't know why they only have it at Juvia's Place. I feel like it's going to get discontinued. I should probably get it now. I did receive this as a free sample, so I may have gotten the wrong color. I think I'm more of a dark brown. Medium brown looked a little bit too light for me, but I still use it anyways. It's quick and easy. If I have to go somewhere fast, boom, boom, boom. My eyebrows look filled, defined, done. On my way out the door. Price of it is $12 and expires around 12 months. This is an innovative gel wax formula, easy to achieve full and defined eyebrows. It has an easy to apply little brush, beep, just like that. It is a fuss-free product that gives you natural color. It should transform your eyebrows.
Optimum bright.
And it comes in 5 colors. It has mica, glycerin, silica, and acrylic copolymer. Now for the fun part. Here we go. Which brow do I want to do? Let's see. Let's do my funky one. The one with the scar. Right there. Yeah, let's do that one. Okay, so it says prep the brows by brushing your hairs the opposite way it grows. I don't really have that many. I make my brows really thin anyways, so me doing this doesn't really do anything. They just go right back. Then you're going to brush it forward from the front all the way to the end. Small strokes. See how I'm like bing, 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 bing. Then for my tail, I like to use the tip of it. And voila. Now I do allow this to dry, and then I go over it one more time. And if you like, because sometimes it goes a little bit over the color, you could clean it up with a tissue or maybe a makeup wipe, put it around your finger, clean up the edges. This is what I do when I'm just heading out the door real fast, quick look. If you really want to be more detailed, go ahead, grab a brow liner, fill in your brows like that as well using this. You could also use a brow liner to draw a little more hairs, like over here for me. This eyebrow is shorter than this eyebrow, so I usually like to extend it down that way. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, there we go. Voila. Let it dry again. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. Nice. Let's move on to the next one. Next one, Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel. Same color, medium brown. You guys tell me to get dark brown. I'm afraid to get black because Then I look like I have 2 caterpillars on my forehead. It's too dark. Well, I feel like it's too dark. Dark brown next time. So this size, it's a small travel size, a 0.078. And the bigger size is 0.155 ounce. Can be purchased at AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com, Ulta Beauty, Sephora, and they used to have Anastasia Beverly Hills stores too. You guys remember that? I never walked into one, but I'm pretty sure they did. I don't know if they're still around. Should probably take a look. And you could find it on Amazon. The regular size is $20 and the mini size, this guy, is $9. Why I bought this size? Because at the time, I wasn't too sure if I was going to like it. Better to get a small size than get a big size and not like it at all. This way I'm not too committed to it. Expires around 18 months and it is non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, free of parabens and cruelty free. A highly pigmented eyebrow gel with a very long-lasting waterproof formula. This one is available in 11 shades. Wow. Gives fuller looking and defined brows. Has a high color payoff for full coverage. It should stick to the brow hairs to give volume and a natural full look. Then once it does that, it should dry down to a matte finish. Pretty good. This has a cone-shaped brow brush for perfect precision. Wow. Looks like a mascara wand. Very Christmas tree shape. Not too big though. And since it's long-lasting, it should last up to 12 hours. It's also good for all hair types. And by all hair types, I mean brow hair types. Not hair. It has talc, isododecane, beeswax, and trimethylsiloxysilicate. Okay, now I'm going to do this brow. There we go. I'm trying to push him up, but it's not working out. So, prepping them. Okay, with Anastasia, they said start at the arch and then go to the tail. And make sure you clean any excess off. Here we go. Arch to the tail. And of course you can use the little tip if your tail is small. I do feel like this formula is thicker than Juvia's Place. And then go ahead with the front. And you want to move in the direction of the hair growth. Move with it. Again, don't go too heavy on it. Light strokes, everybody. As light as you can. Use a tissue to clean the tip if you need to. Okay, there we go. And just blend it. And again, clean off any excess around the area. There we go. Small strokes. Then you're going to let it dry. If you want to go in more, which I think I will, you can. Yes. Okay, there you go. That's my brows. Quick and easy brow routine. This is what I do on days where I don't really feel like putting on my makeup, but I want to put on makeup. Yeah. Fills them up pretty good. At least I got the same color so you guys could see the similarities and compare without the filter. Now, of course, you guys can clean it up by putting the highlight color under and over your brows, or just your foundation color as well. And that's it. Let's move on to the results. Okay, here we go. TikTok first. And TikTok, here we go. Boom! 50-50. Woohoo! 50-50. They both won what? Oh my gosh. Oh, congratulations to the both of you. I would have never guessed. I thought for sure TikTok would have a one clear winner, but nope, 50-50. And you know what? That's okay, because we're going to move on. We're going to move on to the YouTube results. Here we go. Oh, wow. Didn't know I could do that. Okay. And the winner is... Boom! Anastasia, 100%! Woo! Congratulations, Anastasia. The winner. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. You're doing my brow good. It is very, very nice. I'm in love. But I may go back to Juvia's place because I was definitely in love with this formula right here. This formula is okay. Comes off with a lot of excess and you have to clean. This one, like a little bit, but not really. Of course, I am kind of low on it. Let me try. Even if I try scooping it. Wow. Not that much excess. The brushes are about the same. They're both tree-like. Let me see if this brush is a little more thicker. I think the bristles are a little more thicker. Looks like it. That is excess right there at the end. It likes to come right at the tip. So make sure you guys clean the tip part a bit. There we go. Very nice. And there you go. That's the winner. Anastasia Beverly Hills basically takes it over. Congratulations. Woo! Alright. I want to hear from you guys. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and let me know. And I will feature you in next week's video. Well, that is it. You guys got a VMAs video this week and a You Voted video this week. So, I will see you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Oh yeah. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and yeah.